Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to make a boiled egg sandwich. As you see, we have tomato. I have one tomato. I have 2 boiled egg, and I have cucumber. I have American Lipton. So I have basil. So guys, stay tuned. Let us start. So guys, you see, I have done to cut everything. So guys, I'm going to mix all of this in the ingredients to one bowl. See, so tomato, cucumber, egg, basil, salt, this is a chili pepper, and then American Lipton, so I'm going to add 1 spoon of Amaraya fresh ribbon, like this. So I'm going to mix. So guys, you see, after to mix all the mixture, see, the mixture is ready. So I'm going to add 2 toast. Look, here is toast. Okay, here is toast. So here is toast. Okay, I'm going to add here. Okay, you see guys, now I'm going to cut it into pieces. You see, look guys, so I'm going to cut into pieces. So guys, thank you for watching. I have done. If you are new here to my channel, please consider like, comment, and subscribe. And also you can share it, guys. For the returning subscribers, I really appreciate it, guys. You're amazing. So if you see, I have done it. I have done my breakfast. So guys, let me enjoy myself. Wow. And then guys, I want to add mint. Guys, you know mint. So my breakfast is full. My breakfast is full, guys, as you see. Oh wow, thank you very much for guys your time. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and let us meet for the next video. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace be upon him.